My family is paying 60,000 euros for tax for belasting every single year. And these fuckers at the back just wants to demoralize the Duterte movement. Never. These are bullies. Bullies. And we stand up for bullies like those people. Like Mateo Moreno, who just been here once, and telling us that we are nothing. Who is he? He is nothing here. Agresibo siya. Hindi kami magpapareglo. Ipapakulong namin yan. Update tayo mga organic supporter. There is a commotion here in The Hague, just here in the Duterte Park. We cannot really like each other. We cannot really like each other, pero we won't. Po. Thank you very much. Bye. Thank you. So yun mga ka-organic Duterte supporter, kami hindi kami naghahanap ng away, pero pag kami ang puniputa-putang ina, pinapakyo-pakyo kami dito sa lugar na kung saan kami nakatira, ay hindi pwede yan. Mananagot talaga ang mananagot kasi walang ganyan dito sa amin. Duterte supporters kami, pero pag inatake ninyo si Harry Roque na siyang tumutulong sa amin dito para itaguyod, actually si Harry Roque siya ang nagbibigay ng lakas sa amin para pumunta kami dito araw-araw. But if these people will just go here for one day, for a week or two, just to demoralize the movement of the PRRD movement, to free PRRD, to shout for Marcos resign, to call out publicly at Senator Amy Marcos to tell her incompetent brother Bongbong Marcos to resign, no, we will not allow that. And we have the police here. We have the police here, and we ask the police to remove the troublemaker, especially the Tio Moreno, which is hiding in the name of Tio Moreno, but his name is Alex Distor. He is a fucking bully, and I stand up for bully. Maybe he's bully, it's because he was very ugly before, and now he can afford plastic surgery, that he would bully a person like me na hindi sikat. No, I don't need to be sikat to be respected. I am here to support Rodrigo Roa Duterte, and fuck you siya kung sino siya. I don't even know him personally. So, yun, mag-aaway talaga kapag pinaparinggan kami ng mga putang ina. Who you? You don't even bring one grain of rice in our table. Who you? Sino ka? My family is always paying for close to 60,000 euros per year for tax, and then papakyu-pakyu mo lang kami dito sa ano? Ipapakyu-pakyu mo lang kami dito sa Netherlands. Excuse me. You have to know your limit. We are looking at you. Oh. Yeah. Pwede yan. They shouldn't have been here. Hanap sila ng gulo. Kala nila nagtitinag kami dito. Excuse me. I would stand up for bullies. Not me, Tio Moreno. Not me. So, back to normal na tayo. Don't fuck with us, because we will fuck you twice. Raise to the power of 10. Oh, visit.
Charlene.
Gago siya eh. So yon, hindi magpapatinag ang totoong Duterte supporter at hindi mang-aatake at hindi mang-aaway ang organic Duterte supporter sa kapwa Duterte supporter. Yan ang we should put that in our kokote. No? Of course. Di man gud ate, wa man ta mangitag away. Nganong maputa-puta man siya.
Di ba ta mangaway?
Nganong iya man
ginanggalan niya ko sa
putang ina siya. Uy, excuse me.
Diba?
Hindi pwede ganyan te, hindi pwede ganyan. Galang tapos siya dito, bisita siya dito, tapos siya magputang-puta siya sa amin. Excuse me, puta din siya. Twice, raised to the power of 10. Gago siya.
Gusto niyo magkipagsubukan sa ako, diri ho?
Bugiro na. I-unfollow na ninyong Tio Moreno. Huwag ka nang bayot nga ritokada.
Sabi niya, organic daw na ano, ganyan. Tapos mga putang ina.
Oh, mga putang ina daw. Tapos nag-live ko. Iyak, hindi pa dunggan nga ka ng, ay, napa-eksena.
Oh, siya.
Oh.
Sabi niya, sabi ko sa kanya,
Ma'am, wala di ako nang hilabot. Nag-live, rabi ako.
sabi ko, huwag kang magsabi.
Sabi nila ito lang daw, ngayon ka lang daw nagsalita talaga.
Hindi,
Yes.
yun din, tsaka yun. Sabi ko, kaya napuno na, matagal na kitang nakikita inobserbahan. Very quiet. Sabi ko,
Oo.
bakit nagsalita ko?
Ay, hindi. Kasi ma'am, at first, I was a subject of online bullying. Online bullying at online bashing. But I never said any word. Kasi alam ko, it will really derail our purpose of being here. But enough is enough. This is the time that I would speak up. I would speak up against the bully. Kasi binubully nila si Attorney Harry Roque. Attorney Harry Roque never did anything to them. And who are they? Sino ba sila? VIP sila? They are nothing here. They don't even pay tax here. My family pays 60,000, close to 60,000 euros per year. Tapos iputa-puta lang kami nung Tio Moreno na yung pangit yung skin. Nag-model siya tapos pangit yung skin niya. Excuse me! Not me, Tio Moreno. Bitaw ma'am, ay dili bitaw ma'am. Salamat ko ma'am na kanang. I hope na masabtan.
Yeah, there's a trade group here. That's a big shop at Mapagulti for Dirain.
Okay, the situation is this. There was an argument, it was verbal, and then afterwards,
Ano yung bullying? Bullying.
they were,
Mura-mura pa kami.
and then all of a sudden, listen to me, they were verbally fighting, and then all of a sudden, the husband wants to protect her. So, we jumped on and pushed them, and now
And he wants to touch my husband also.
I want to
Hindi ikaw siya. Hindi matunda.
Talk to the police.
came to the rescue.
You talk to the police. Mayor Bayan.
Yeah.
Siya pumunta sa akin. Siya pumunta sa akin. Kung kailan ang murahan. Diyan pa rin ang murahan. Ikaw, alam mo.
Huwag ka magturo.
Hindi. Ma'am, alam mo, kami PRRD kami. Hindi namin gusto ng mura-murahan.
So that we are
Kung ninyo kami.
explain also.
Kung kami. Kasi kami, ma'am.
Mag-explain siya also. Dalawang beses na.
Bisyo ka ba?
Dalawang beses na.
Parang bisyo ka ba?
Dalawang beses na sa kami. Pero pinagalangan ako.
Oo. Bakit ka pinaparin ka?
And hi, Prat.
Para alam mo na kung tayo.
Nabasa ka ito. Para alam mo tayo.
Sige, ba magpahit.
Kasi para mag-explain niya ng overtime pa.
Meron kami kondisyon. Mag-sorry sila na hindi na No.
Nee, het is niet echt, hoe is dat? Het is een klein beetje, maar gewoon een beetje discussiëren. Dus, ja, het is gewoon het is moeilijk als twee kanten. Dan die andere kant is praat, andere kant is praat. Nou, niemand gaat. Sorry. Nou, dat is de enige één persoon begint met, was dat Anton, die meisje, praten ook. En deze jongen gaat zo. Daarom de man, hij weet niet dat de man stond hier. En toen hij zag de duwen, en toen krijg ik een klap met de man. Natuurlijk, zij is jouw vrouw, hè?
Ja, mijn vrouw doet het niet opletten.
Ja, ik wou net zeggen. Mijn man gaat altijd opletten. Nee. Maar, ja, eigenlijk dat is mama.
Ja, waarschijnlijk wel, ja.
Eigenlijk, dat is niet echt, was dat? Maar deze, die jongen die met de bruine, die gaat echt beginnen met de Rosie. Ja, maar daarom, dus, weet er gewoon daar mij niet meer aan. Dus iedereen,
Ik weet niet wat mijn collega's gaan doen, maar...
nou, maar iedereen mag film zo. We kunnen zien wie is de... Maar begin met de protest,
Het is
een
wel
event.
zo rustig, toch?
Ja, dan dit twee is toeristen. En dan is het flagger. Weet je, als jij gaat de flagger, je post gewoon, mag niet uit wat jij wil. En zo rare dingen en zo. Maar ja, sommige mensen die gaan het tegen. En dan die vrienden van hun, ze zat ook bij de politie aangifte van haar. She's